Check out these melons. I'm gonna try to, you can see these nice big old melons. Then the crates, all the bees are getting, I'm gonna get out of here before all these bees get me. So we're gonna walk to the setup they got here, and you guys are gonna see how these watermelons get transported. So the melons just came off the farm, right? And then the guys are, I guess, picking them off the farm, and then it goes in these school buses. Look, the school buses are chopped up. Take a look at that. School buses are chopped up. They have the melons in here, and then anyways, they got this conveyor belt looking thing, and it goes down the chute, and then the workers put them inside the boxes, and then freaking after they put them in the boxes, they load them up in the truck. It's crazy. It's crazy how the logistics that it goes to, you know, picking up a product off the freaking ground of the earth. I can't reach up there, but you guys can see the melons. Anyways, pretty crazy setup. If you enjoy the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. For more videos, look up Bro Truckers. Alright guys, we're about to get loaded with these watermelons. Let's make it happen.